Good afternoon, Jeff from Musbucky Valley Garage. We are working on upholstery today. This is the driver's seat bottom that we took out of the Jeep, and it's got about 28 years worth of use on it, and it shows every day of that. So we went ahead and removed this cover off of here. If you look on the bottom, of the seat, it's held on by these things. These are called hog rings, okay? And we just used, like wire cutters like this to take and go ahead and get them off. Wear gloves when you take and do that, because it could be a little bit rough on your hands. Okay, so in addition to having the hog rings on the bottom, when you take and pull up the side, okay, there will be like a web in here, okay, that's got a metal rod in it, and there will be a metal rod down in here that is part of the seat structure, the spring structure, and there will be some hog rings that are holding the seat pan, which is this area here, down in there, so you get these nice creases, and then they can go up to the side. So you go ahead and take those off, and then you have to take and deal with the foam. Okay, the foam on this one is in kind of bad shape, but the thing is, it's centralized just in this area right here. Okay, so we're going to do a repair on those. I've actually repaired the sides on some other vehicles that we've been restoring, and we've had a favorable effect on that. So anyway, what we've done on this is we've used a sharp knife to take this section out. So we cut across here, and then we used a razor blade and our sharp knife. We have one knife in the shop, this one right here, that we keep just for working on the foam, and we keep it really sharp. So you can use like a sharp steak knife, and then you can take and use razor blades to take and take this out, and take it out as many pieces as you want, because we're going to be discarding this. Okay, so we have actually removed this, okay, and we're left with an area like this, and you want to go back in, make sure this is pretty level. Okay, the replacement foam is readily available. Amazon has some, not a sponsor. There used to be a place in Redondo Beach, California, or Torrance, California, called Evans, and unfortunately they went out of business, and we really miss them because they had like everything. So we actually got another piece of foam, this one right here, this panel. It's 24 inches square. We got that at Joann's Fabric in Torrance, so it cost us about $28. Okay, so we went ahead and we cut a piece of foam for that. This right here is probably 2 inches or so, and we needed something that was a little bit slimmer, so we went ahead and we cut that. So this will fit directly right in here. We have it kind of manicured, overcut the thing just a little bit so it kind of squeezes in here. Okay, so you want to take and do your fitting, make sure that you get it in there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to spray the back of this piece of foam, and you're also going to spray this area with contact adhesive. Okay, this is specially made for upholstery and foam, and this stuff really holds really well. Wear gloves and do it outside. If you get the stuff on your hands, it's hard to get off, and the fumes really hazardous to your health, so don't go ahead and breathe that. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and spray this whole area, and then go ahead and put the piece of foam in there. Anyway, we wanted to talk to you a little bit. We're just going ahead and do that, and we're going to spray it and then go ahead and pat it in there, and that's pretty much the end of that. We wanted to take and talk to you about the upholstery itself. Okay, we went to one of the neighborhood upholstery places that's around here, and we said how much they can make one of these, and they wanted $450 for it, which we thought was absolutely positively ridiculous for one piece of upholstery. Okay, so we went online, and there's this company that is in Orange County. It's called Seatz, SEATZ.com. Okay, and they actually do automotive restoration upholstery. Okay, which is really cool. Okay, we went on their website, and they actually had the seat bottoms, the seat backs on both sides, passenger and driver, for about $230. Okay, so that was a little bit different from $450. Okay, but the thing is, the only thing we really needed was this bottom section right here. Okay, so we went ahead and we called them up. We asked to talk to the salespeople, and a very nice guy named Dylan really hooked us up. He put a special listing on the website for just the bottom, okay, on the driver's side, okay, and there is a difference between the two kinds of seats. Okay, in the Jeeps, there are ones that recline and ones that do not recline. Okay, so you have to make sure that you get the right one. But anyway, he put a special listing on the website just for us. Okay, which was really, really cool. That is A+ customer service. Okay, and the price was $80. Okay, to go ahead and have this piece of upholstery made. Okay, they custom make everything, takes about 2 weeks. Go ahead and get a new one. When we take and get that upholstery in, we will show you how to install that on the seat, because we are working on this thing right now, getting the foam in order, and all we got to do is put the upholstery on there, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, so when we go ahead and get that in, I shall show you how to take and put it all back together. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see you next time.